Hello, good day. We are the group 4 and this is our lab 6, and these are the codes for our lab 6 part 1, and these are the codes for our lab 6 part 2. So let us first start with the lab 6 part 1. So INT main is our data type, whereas our variables are account number, total charges, starting balance, new balance, total credits, credit limit. So account number here is the first text that will appear in the execution. So yeah, I'm right. Account number is the first text that will appear in the execution. Alright, in line 18, if you can see here is that if you press 1, you're gonna be paying all using credit card. So let's just first plug in some numbers. Alright, if you press 1, you're gonna be paying all using the credit card. Alright, siya. And this is accurate. And what if we plug in some number? So otherwise pala, if you press any number other than 1, the code will take you to another option, which is a portion will be paid using the credit card. So other than 1, right? 2. And you can see the result here is that just a portion will be paid using the credit card. Alright. And here is the formula for the new balance, and this if statement is that says that new balance is greater than credit limit. So if you successfully type your starting balance, total charges, and credit limit, the available credit left will appear with the formula. With the use of formula, new balance is equals to starting balance plus total charges minus total credits. Alright? Let's run it. 1 and yeah, 3,000, right? 5,000 and 1,000. So if you are done typing in this number, the credit left will appear. So let us check muna if this is accurate. So let us use our calculator. Right. So the formula is the starting balance plus total charges. So starting balance plus total charges. Wait. No. 3,000 plus 5,000, and then subtract it with the total credits. So 2,000, right? So my available credit left is 6,000. So enter muna. And this my result. This my result for my solving in my credit. Wait. Available credit left. Alright. I'm sorry. Alright, enter. And yes, we have the same answer. So as you can see, it's accurate and it's following the formula right here. Where? Here. Ito pala. And this credit limit exceeded will appear at the end of the execute. So yeah, it does appear at the end of the execute. But after you're done with the credit limit exceeded, the account number will reappear again for another transaction. So yeah, there's another transaction here. So it's never ending. All right, and here, ulit-ulit na siya. Yeah. So let us move on for our part two. All right. So these are part two for lab 6. So by analysis, explain. Wait, I forgot something. Uh, for our conclusion here is that in this study we have to determine where a credit card will be exceed its debt limit. So in conclusion, if the new balance is larger than the available credit in the amount, then the result of the transaction will exceed the credit limit since we use the code S if statement new balance new balance is greater than credit limit, where new balance is calculated as total balance plus total charges minus total credits. And we have learned that there are other ways. There's a shortest way to find an answer for this formula, and that is decoding. All right, so let us move on with the part two. All right. By analysis, explaining all lines 1 to 25, the int main is our data type, and our variables are sales, commission, and earnings. And in sign means that whatever number you put in the execution, whatever number you put in the execution will be your gross sales. So for example, I plug in 3,000, that is my gross sales. So first of all, we use a class S program because it contains variables, solutions, and data. And with while statement here means that if you plug in a number greater than 0, the code will rely on the formula, or the solution which is sales divided by 100 times 9 is the formula for commission, and commission plus 200 is the total earnings that correlates to the variables below int main. So let me give you an example. So this is my gross sales. So let me use the formula muna if this is accurate. So alright. I have two execution program pala. I didn't know. Right. Calculator. So wait. Alright. Formula. So our sales is 3,000. Divide 100 times 9 is equals to the earnings plus 200. Wait. Did I do it correctly? Right. Minus 100 times 9. Okay, this is my commission, and plus 200 is the earnings. So 470 is my earnings. So let us see. Enter. Wait. 3,000. Right. So I did get the answer here. So it's pretty accurate actually. So however, in if statement, if you plug in a number less than zero, or should I say negative numbers, the code won't go through the while statement, which means that it will go back to return. So let's execute the code on it. Alright, so what if I plug in 3000 and there's no answer? So with return value 0. And yeah, that's all for I wait, forgot the conclusion again, sorry. So for our conclusion is that we have learned how to use the while loop and if loop statement properly to get different results from the two statements. We also learned that these codes are useful in real life. Like for example, in business, this code can be helpful in finding your earnings in a quickest way possible in order for that person, in order for you to know its earnings. So that is all for our presentation for Lab 6, Part 1 and Part 2. And thank you for watching this whole video. And please enjoy. Thank you.